Amen. Siyanibingelela bazalwane, today 20 January 2026. Today is Tuesday, ntambama. Ngiyenza i-voice note le kanje ngifuna ukukhumbuza abantwana bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi, do you remember ngakhuluma lapha ku-Chris Network e-YouTube ukuthi kunabazalwane abayi-3 abake bangifonela, different people. One is here in Orange Farm, one in Durban, one in Meyerton. Abayazani labantu. Bathi brother, siyaboniswa ukuthi in the kingdom of darkness kunomuntu wesifazana abafuna ukumthumela kuwe azokuwisha, azomosha igama lakho, njengoba nawe Enigma umosha igama likaSathane nemisebenzi yakhe namabandla wakhe. So nabo bazothumela umuntu wesifazana azokuwisa. Manje ke iqalile ke impi bazalwane, iqale last week, maybe last week Wednesday, today is 20. Iqale last week Wednesday, I don't know, it was 14 ikhuluma zivulwa. Iqale lapho ke kuyaliwa ke sekaqalile umsebenzi wakhe. So khona manje ungithumela ama message amaningi aphuma kuye, ngimkhuze kaningi athi I am going to social media. So ke bamkhuzile abazalwane laba afuna ukuya kubo ku social media, akakhuzeki. So ngithi kanti uwe, mina ngithi you are a beautiful sister ofana ukuthi ashade brother Enigma, kanti uwe. So bengithi nginitshele ke bazalwane ukuthi she is ready, she is out there kuma social media, ufuna ukuyo expose brother Enigma, akhiphe brother Enigma imission yakhe ufuna ukuyenza le athunywe ngayo. Amen.
Hi there you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salolo. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to share this video. Guys, we are back with brother Enigma, and it has been a while since I reported about the man of God. So there's currently a voice note that's circulating online from brother Enigma, you guys, speaking about, a woman who is out to get him and expose him, make lies, spread lies about him. According to brother Enigma, this lady was definitely sent by the kingdom of darkness to try and tarnish his image, because he has been, destroying the kingdom of darkness. He has been destroying like Satan. So according to brother Enigma, this lady is busy on social media telling people lies about him rather. I saw this post out there on Facebook by this particular guy who shared the circulating voice note, and he says that brother Enigma is actually trying to do like damage control regarding allegations of a sex scandal involving his 24-year-old romantic partner. You guys, Uti brother Enigma is involved with a 24-year-old romantic partner, guys, and we do know of course that brother Enigma is not married at all. And he further went on to say, according to reports, the couple had been in a relationship for over a year, during which she alleges he broke her virginity with promises of marriage. However, she claims to have discovered that he was unfaithful. Wow, she claims that brother Enigma has been unfaithful with multiple partners. The woman asserts that she possesses video evidence and chats to support her claims and had attempted to share her story, but her efforts were suppressed by podcasts that support brother Enigma until she spoke on a non-Christian podcast, prompting brother Enigma's recent statement for damage control. It is said that by tomorrow the episode of brother Enigma's Lover will be aired on YouTube. Wow, you guys, this is one hell of a major scandal, especially considering the fact that brother Enigma has been very much vocal that, he's not looking for a relationship. He will only be in a relationship if God sends the right woman. I do remember brother Enigma talking about the kingdom of darkness trying to send women to seduce him. I think he spoke about 2 or 3 women which were sent, to try to seduce him in wherever he lives. And today he comes to do this because this lady claims that Brother Enigma played with her and that she was actually a virgin when she met Brother Enigma, who played around with multiple women. Guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Do you think that Brother Enigma is guilty of what this lady is alleging? Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video to make sure that you do share it, guys, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this video, and may the good Lord just continue to bless you all. Bye.